How to introduce yourself in a forum. Write. Introducing yourself. Please write to your teacher and classmates introducing yourself. Read the example. Scroll down. Scroll down more. Find the blue button that says Add a new discussion topic. Click this blue button. Scroll down. Oops. Okay, do you see the subject? Click on the subject line and write the subject. Okay, then scroll down and click on the message. Write your introduction in the message. Oh. Okay, and then when you are finished your profile, scroll down again and click on this button, Post to Forum. So it's a blue button. So click on that. And then it says, oh, good, it's green. Your post was successfully added. Okay, so my post is added. If I scroll down again, I will see it. See, there it is, Natalie's introduction. And if I click on it, there it is. Okay, so that is how you post your introduction to the forum.